test delay changmala ani thiring anjo de nga tang anjo Dangerling pugun jo changma Toronto gaji cricket tournament chigla participate chi ani ti phebe gaji cricket tournament re ani odila team nga dusha team nga nanglo ni team chig nganjo Dangerling pugun jo re Okay, so ta nganzo gaji dela group warm up di go together do nganzo suchungi la game re so group warm up chi and dj ti practice chi do chai Okay, so ta nganzo tanda team gaji introduction the chaso and this nganzo team gaji warm up chaso ani namgindu nganzo chigo mar dindoda ka string nganzo the tournament indigo nganzo this body la well prepared chi and this nganzo game ni sum khazo che wasna ya jela cha game cha ma ga chi do nganzo tanda warm up yak bu chi ra stretching zo chi ta nganzo this da bowlers enjoy bowling practice chi ani batsmen enjoy batting this practice chi and this rest do chi keja do she and mentally prepared che ja and then nganzo sangboi nganzo gaji da team zo gaji skin care di yabu chu shi da asangbo cream da shaksin master
50 plus le ja so derda we're going to play for ourselves what so give our best fielding bend your knees always ani fielder is a chick na mother wa khatine move chicken 10 step front 10 step back how the six sense you go fielder is a thangma je batsman the caution you can feel him some the feel chal the six sense only realize you're a batsman ta how do the thangma ball how do the overall team yakor thangma le the on the team thangma all rounder ratios but the thing is that we don't play serious right kind of serious se right topic ro honto da let's go 야, 나 위로 자, 지금 나야. 위로 셔 봐. 아게 아게. 지금 나야. 빨리. 오케이. 굿럭. 와, 지금 가면 지금 쏘. 코트 좀 하자. 방수 쉬어. 마무리. 야, 코트 팀 넘어지 게. 야, Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Learn to start camera.
tanda ngazo de group par game ngazo first team ni tenge di group par game ba so ngazo Dangerling team da ani Toronto cricket team sare Toronto Tibetan cricket team so ngazo team ni ga ji par game ani ngazo thiringa ji organizer da captain kon re
test le and dire chunga la cricket tournament ji and organizer ngai re Toronto Tibetan cricket nyundere dire match tangbo Darjeeling team nyundera and good luck
ani kanga ji this introduction do this in there
introduction da ngada mangche Tibetan calligraphy jidiga en cricket go ye da ngo organize ji shaim ba nyama lo ni to the ngo de dress nyure 제 상마 디라리 라서
So nganzo dada coin toss share coin toss chin su batting thangbo che dang su bowling thangbo che di ko re.
Hello, no dirdo. Dice. Okay. Very detailed do. Okay. Yeah, headers. 이걸라라. 다르진 탑.
다르진 토스 토스
아주 bowling 쳐.
오케이
bowling 쳐.
continue
bowling.
bowling रे ओके थैंक यू लो गुड लक ओके
Good luck.
चलो थैंक यू
Good luck.
ओके ला
이거
bowling
nganzo 가지 정대.
bowling 쳐다 드린 거.
야 nganzo 당고 formation 딱다 share formation 디교 낭싱하라.
Formation तो pu takta share ro changmala. tab thiri pe yago che re dangwa ma to strategy gangza yo re tanga to kho de na tanga to sangma prepare re ta main nga to ge bowling di yapo chu re bowling di yapo che an ni kon to ge chik target chik ju ro on the chase here on the chase here o s yapo do khase
fielding ni isu junte mila thyo inale bora ka cha okay wangde
ye pha de
melam de tungdo wangde
melam de
dango antu de fielding de setup chim ba khode de pura de big yell yorda that means now 100% develop this shower 100 sina shower da
this sange ro sange shao
직당 아디래.
aju short run de ya da
that thing there
khode de boundary de big yes to do tada close the choy marda niche de develop 100% korda
오케이 단다 당고 이제 탭 키워 말아.
당근이 와이드 는 게임을 런 마트 포지션 런 하는 게
short piece no
런 게 컨피던트 이래요. 맞아 돼. 아니 오버 당근이 볼 여기 파스트 한다. 아. 위켓 짜야 돼.
light
로셀라 이제 हामीले कहाँ रहेछ 로셀라
어디 따 왔던다.
क्योंकि बॉल थोंगिरे छंगमो थोंगिरे
어디 거 상보 뛰면
상보 bar tik de
빠르디야. 포메이션이죠.
ए तुते ए तुते तेरो आयो एमआर टा उ बैट
digger
오케이 참아야 돼.
okay sange ro sange pha digger de dido apa pachol de ro pai boundary ta dini pai ro dig rang ka ar ro sang pha de na nge lamsa ko dur ani okay boys ta the fielding di ore okay
So player 상마다 단다 소소도 포지션 락차래. So 먼저 대 단단다 대야 도 소소 포지션 라 대가 도 안디제니 bowlers 카시기 bowling this practice shela so lakpa this changachido so nga bowling chi mare nga wicket keeper gi gap langai position de so this nga formation dikcha haina ani ngai video this chigo nga sama formation dagda dega do isare so position la le re so dagsa dagda de pa dela che pamulam che de youtube de la pa cho chime wang de bowling first bowling chance lo sel pa che cho chime wicket keeper ani pa wang bo che an sama de good bowling Fielding. Dale, look. No problem there, sir. Bowling. Tambo, good bowling. Check line. Wongbo. 단다 ngazo game ga jikima dare and so far ngazo kha chaslana ngazo wicket sum len sa so ani ngazo ga over chungi sare koncho run rate 78 or close to 80 de so ngazo bowlers so pe abu shunido wicket chik le re catch ni simre an tanda koncho de ground ki mala kedo cha de sha ka ball bounce to yama chida So namgule tiring anjui khalare bowling pe abuchi so and tiring kunzo lana da tono team yakshur uzi gore run tanda gya so tu mare ngazo over choksum masim sto sare so pe abuchi do ngazo Nice ball, 다가라, 상번. 다가라.
다나 제 캐치했다.
Catch
मार के दिया है यार भगवान ने दिया तुझे बस
Okay, so anzo gaji tanda gaji bowling di charso ani anzo wicket duin lane sare wicket ke lane sare ani digang la khare run kunse khazo gyadang choose to mash swim sare so anzo bowling pe apuchi so anzo team ki tang anzo batting chere so anzo run chase mangu chigo mare gyadang issues to suna thupgi gire so tanda de break la this slowly chin ke do she ani tang anzo this time di khar strategy ro swere and then anzo pe out there. Tara. Good. Josh. Dami quick. Josh. Yeah, Josh me dami. Dami. Run कर 1 से 20 बोला खाते ना. Good job. Ambo dami.
And they some of the deer the catch the जो मैन ऑफ सीरीज हो रहा तुम भी विकेट एप्पल था deer the लो.
अरे शंकर
Okay, so anzo aje first batsman ni di thandarang do soba. Diresha anzo aje target the 143 George. Target the 143 sara.
Target the 142 kunzo ge gyada shipchu shechik sodu.
Kunzo gyada shechik sodu.
Shingi sodu ta.
Okay, target 143 ra. Right. And anzo aje first batsman di sangbo da sangbo da diresha chojigme resha. And Kunzo first bowling shuni pa. Okay, 143 lana anzo munshna the target the pitch chaseable re khajna over rated ball chugungira ball chuglana kyondom ball getting issue re so run chik sutuna yang anzo lelo shin thokirda da. Okay, ning I bowling the batting dir do batting fifth batsman do isare so ngatang cheso television this rest of chin day and nimal mangoder dongba 6 so
Batting, same.
the batsman is television that they did the condition is strong now the first bowling there.
Proud of my boys.
Yeah.
They are working on the raw. Wow, proud of my boys once again. That in Ethiopia you pay chances do. Every person has responsibility raw. That in his second batsman, third batsman, you're already down on the church me.
What's that? Chinda.
섭섭지인다
섭섭지. Also team gaji manager. Coach.
Okay. Go. Sikkim Kalimpong.
Also the first game short so kaya mare hina ta khala nzo yabusin sala so the Sangboy wife ki legera.
wife se just king ele 근데 다 맞춰야 되지 뭐 이게 내 라투도 다시 보내 저 다시 내 맞은 걸 사. 뭐 부터
So the first game the short sare first game the short ni the second game chikse ore loser the second match te der tanda the team ni te der and dinzo ni tomnge ta short nge di yang sadangi hanjung du tomnge ngam du che short nge ngam du tere okay ta so the chujigme la hanjo je game ga jikorla 100 shots ulani During also game, yakuda pe yakucha so also the konzo ke bowler we did our best. So also game yang yore. So also short but still also you yakucha sangma everybody gave 100%. So kudos to that. No regrets. Yeah, that's it. No regrets. So next game we're gonna be more stronger, more firmer, more focused. That's it. Team Assault is ready for next round of Assault. Team Assault. So DJ the next game top na yang goni kuntung game durang che chances. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Good catch. So Jigme la na overall team yahan put song la so ina ta unluckily on so short so unluckily the batting this to weak chas ra. Yeah, batting line is weak chas so ni konzo bowling many pe strong do. So dila konzo ignore chem in the konzo bowling ya put do ani ta konzo batting la ta next round this stay firm, wicket chava macheva tapshe chi. Yeah. Whatever it is, I'm 100% there, so that's it. It's like nobody is giving, everyone is trying their best, so that's the best part. Great. Lose might have something to add onto it as well. Okay, Lose, can't you just take in game?
Man. I mean, I think our fielding and our bowling was on point, We gave them very little chances to score. But when it came down to our batting, we just couldn't find a rhythm. Was the rhythm the Nyemaso? Any Kalora. Team la rhythm and no matter how hard you try, so our best, I mean, to be fair, we did play the toughest team amongst all the other teams, like our opponents there. So we're still headstrong about this. We're not going to give up, right? The next game that we play, we'll most likely win. I think everybody knows what they need to do now, so hopefully we'll get there.
The next game la kachu orta
the next batting chini free chairish.
First batting chair.
First batting chini free chairish.
Yeah.
Ani kya kolo answers. Manjo diti special la chetu munda.
Yeah.
Tata re lola khas thama khas practice chiyora.
Okay guys, so real update. Khachas la na ta manjo de second game di PK team di shori sare. So ta DJ la manjo te de. So also second match the thing gaje and the team khara also peaking am the sare so also showing in the and showing in su top gira next game nam song di joy re also khara semi final lead dusha so thanda gi game the engine also top gore ta thanda khakshu khalla na ta ima di jo shon lead da so also batting chair this khakku chair ima mig la khaptuli le yonsa so ina ta thanda chu shiwa do sim do shogening also le de thanda rang also de momo do sa do chi also rest ya puta rasora. So that's all. Nganzo batting ya puche and nganzo main batting shogi batting di diskangi chason. So nganzo team da khunzo team durare. So sanda changma practice to chin de desha. Okay, so nganzo da second game gaji nganzo ji bowling di chaso. Ani nganzo khaze wicket duin le sare and khunzo run khazo sus kya ta duin do sare. So also the batting chair and let's see also run the good run ya chase chitu di mindolani. So thanda also batting chair turn le so and ngada melam first chain and ngata the runner chair molam gi batting ko tu na so ngai dikhara camera di wicket ki capture chain.
Nice ball. Good ball. Yes. Le bistari aundares. Modale bistari. Line में घुटा ले ना cover किया cover या
Okay.
Oh!
One run, just one run.
Well ball. Easy. Okay, last ball.
야! 예, take back. hold on.
Over up, bowling. Kumba dang si Kumba.
지금 나 ball 치러. Okay, so nga tanda tesa sro ani ni run khaju chungni do sui sare ani catch out chasra 6 shue chimba ani khaju lamsa ju so o ani ta tanda ngonso ji shine mingi out chare ani run rate ya po sare run kati bo bongbo run 36 de so hope ngonso I tanda ya po chena ngonso chase chi sare so tanda jingme dang chu tu na che de ball waste ma cheta
Piriarda.
Okay, so tandang also the 12th over running also run how to run chipchus go is that so also page shore gechus go to the song setu maso so on second match and short to do but still over shield ani 6 talks twins case to setuna ani
Oh my goodness.
anyways guys tanganzo ringaji tournament ning anso the last game chik ha sare last game chik dishorna ya ani anso out re ina tring yaputse so ai choga chik sui 6 chik sui digal boundary la ras team so shoot se tomaso ani chotup de lai ngala yapul lapso chotup la ani khanta
Again, next time chedang di dagara takyo main di technique di ha gochare and di pay to at least ki yapun shoes ra dagara re
chotup lai lapkyo nang sirang ye shui shukti sidang maso the next time bang period do so tringi tournament gaji end di ta dinde ro shai sare hanzo ta kimni cha short song ra ani cute cha song the next game di hanzo kha khande shay na the next game chi gun che la sra ta chance to la song na ta khai na ta the game ni ra ta the game ni do next week and it's okay hanzo still chance to let's see ta
two games so two games
team ki liapo chi sha hanzo team ki yapo chi song sam na ani like and subscribe
I don't know.
okay until then take care bye bye guys